Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a deposit without an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is useful when you receive money that is not from a sale, like a loan, owner contribution, bank interest, or even a refund from a vendor. Let's get started. First, open your QuickBooks Online account. Then go to the top left corner and click on the New button. Sometimes it appears as a plus icon, so if you don't see it, just expand the menu. From the options, choose Bank Deposit. This will open the deposit window where you record money coming into your account. At the top, select the bank account where the money is going. Make sure you choose the correct account. Next, enter the date. It should match your bank statement. You can also add a memo to describe the deposit. For example, owner contribution, or loan. Now go to the section called Add Funds to this deposit. Here you will enter the details. Use one line for each source of money. In the Received From field, choose the person or company or just create a simple name. In the Account field, select the correct category. For example, Income Account for extra income, Equity Account for owner contribution, Liability account for a loan. Then enter the amount. You can also add payment method